Hey, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 high-end looking Christmas decor hacks, and everything's from the dollar store. I recently went to the Pottery barn and looked at all their holiday decor. So gorgeous, but so expensive. And everything I saw was like, I could make that. I could make that. So I'm feeling really inspired. I want to share with you some of my favorite things that I've made, kind of Pottery barn dupes or Michael's dupes right now, starting with a tablescape. My favorite Christmas decor was definitely the tablescapes. They were so beautiful. I especially loved the one with all the different Christmas trees, but each of these trees started at $40. So I'm gonna recreate it with Dollar Tree Christmas trees. It's not gonna look as bougie, but hopefully I still love it. I picked up one tree that's not from the Dollar Tree. I actually paid $30 for this, which is redonkulous, but it's like the focal point. And then all of the others I found for just a few dollars from Dollarama or for $1.50 from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna put these out on the table like a little arrangement. These white ones were from the Dollar Tree, so cute. And I actually found gold, like scooshy looking ones, like white and gold. What are these? I don't know, like they look like toilet bowl cleaners to me. But they had almost identical ones at the Pottery barn. So I'm gonna put some of those out too and just try to recreate this. The other thing I love about the Pottery barn tables are the stacked dishes with napkins, but you can create this from the Dollar Tree. They have so many beautiful chargers in different colors. I picked up this like reddish burgundy, and I love their gold and silver snowflake dishes. And then I'm just topping it with a napkin that I already have. I took some Dollar Tree ribbon and a little Dollar Tree ornament and hot glued it to make a napkin ring. The napkin rings that they had actually were pine cone circles, and they had almost the identical ones at the Dollar Tree too. So don't spend money on napkin rings. Either make your own or pick them up from the Dollar Tree. But I love this layered dish look. So budget friendly too. Next quick hack is so easy, no DIY required. Pine cones are everywhere right now. Pottery barn sells one glittery pine cone for $10. You can find these outside on the ground. I actually like picking them up at Walmart and getting the cinnamon scented ones, but take a vase you already own or a hurricane vase from the Dollar Tree, get some of the Dollar Tree battery fairy lights, put them inside your vase, and then just fill it with pine cones. This looks so gorgeous, high end, and if you get the cinnamon scented ones, your whole house will smell like Christmas. I am so ridiculously excited about this hack because I'm seeing sweater vases all over the place. I didn't even know this was a thing, and you can make one in seconds. I went to the Dollar Tree and got some leg warmers. They didn't have white, which I'm kind of sad about, but they do have this beautiful pink that matches Abby's room. You just take a vase you already own or a hurricane vase from the Dollar Tree. Are you ready for this? The cuteness. You can like scooch it down and put a candle in it or leave it up top and put, I don't know, greenery. So cute. I'm gonna put two in Abby's room, but I want some in my living room too. But I couldn't find white leg warmers at the dollar store, but I did find this white like infinity scarf thing. So I'm gonna cut it and wrap it around some vases that I have. I wanna put sweaters on everything. This I think is the coolest hack because these are so expensive, you guys. It's insane, and you can make them for just a few dollars. This hack's making me so happy. I'm now covering everything in sweaters. I'm letting these burn just to see if it's okay if you burn candles in them, so I'll let you know in a second if my house catches on fire. But I'm gonna cover this vase that I already have flowers in with some more of this scarf. I was so surprised to find this at the Dollar Tree in the photo area. It's a little photo organizer that comes with all of these little clips, but it is perfect to turn into a Christmas card organizer, like a display for your Christmas cards during the holiday season. What I'm gonna do is actually add a little Dollar Tree sprig to it, and I made a quick bow. So I'm gonna hot glue that on and then just attach all my Christmas cards. So fast, so easy, and I think it looks really high end. The Pottery Barn had a ton of gorgeous pom-poms for their Christmas decor this year. They had them as ornaments on the tree and just set in a bowl, so many options, but it was $14.99 for one pom-pom, which is crazy pants because it costs about 25 cents to make a pom-pom. All you need is some yarn, and you need to make yourself a little pom-pom maker. I actually found the yarn at the dollar store. It's not traditional yarn, so it's a little bit harder to make a pom-pom, but they had this really thick white yarn and pink, and then this fluffy, I don't know, it almost looks like feather yarn. So that's what I got. To make your pom-pom maker, you just take cardboard, any scrap cardboard that you have, and cut two kind of donuts with a cutout, and then just start wrapping your yarn around. I did find the trick was to wrap a lot more yarn than I thought I needed, so just keep wrapping and wrapping till it's really, really thick. And then when you're done, slide your scissors in between the two cardboards. So you want to put them together when you start, and then slide the scissors and cut all along the cardboard till all of the loop is cut, and then slide in a separate piece of yarn to tie it tightly together. There's a lot of great tutorials on how to do this, so much better than my tutorial, but I promise you in seconds, you're gonna have an adorable pom-pom, any color that you want, that you can hang on your tree or put in a vase or even sew on pillows. So fast, so easy, and so cheap. When I was at Michael's, I saw buffalo plaid everything, candle holders, so many adorable Christmas decorations, but so expensive. So when I went to the Dollar Tree and I saw these candle holders, I was very excited. Everything you see here, no DIY required. It comes like this for $1.25. So it's a glass candle holder already wrapped in buffalo plaid with the twine, with the pinecone, with the berries, with the evergreen. The cuteness. So I paired that with a gold tray from the Dollar Tree and just 3 of these little candle holders. I'm gonna plop in some Dollar Tree candles, and for around $5, you have the sweetest little Christmas decor. When I was at the Pottery Barn, I found a beautiful centerpiece that I loved, but it was over $200, which is bonkadonks. So you can recreate this so easily at home with everything from the Dollar Tree. Start with a Dollar Tree charger. I'm going with this gold one, and then you want to pick up some of their sprigs. I don't know what else to call it. It's like their greenery. They have so many different kinds. I've just grabbed a couple. I'm gonna layer them on top, kind of sticking out the side of the charger, just like they had at the Pottery Barn. So layering this all together and then just piling a bunch of ornaments on top. I don't know why this was so expensive, because you can do this so fast, so easy. I found lots of different ornaments that I love. I think I'm gonna use some of the pom-poms that I made today too, and just kind of pile it on. See how it looks. I love the look of Christmas topiaries, but they are so expensive. Outside, I love to just make my own using real greenery, but inside, I don't want to buy them and make them year after year. So I love using all fake. I can keep it for 20 years and just reuse it. And everything is from the dollar store. So you start with a bucket, and I got a big foam ball, but you can use floral foam too in the bottom, And then lots of these sprigs, these greenery sprigs in lots of different colors. Sometimes I have red in my decor, sometimes I don't. So I can swap this out. It isn't permanent. You can change it to really match your decor if your decor changes. So I love that too. All you do is start sticking them into the foam. You want to start with all the big ones at the back of your bucket, sticking in the larger ones and then moving to the shorter ones in the front. So it gives like this cascading effect. It's honestly fast and easy to do. Just squish them all into the foam ball. My last tip is taking inexpensive greenery, whether it's a garland or a wreath or even a Christmas tree, and making it look really high-end by adding the Dollar Tree sprigs. I don't know what else to call these, but they have berries and different types of greenery, and they're perfect for really filling out either your wreath or your garland or even your Christmas tree just by putting these in. If you head to Michael's, you're gonna find garland and wreaths that have something that looks exactly like this from the Dollar Tree, but it starts at $50 and up. Just by spending a few dollars, these are like $1.25, $1.50 each, and layering them into your existing greenery, you're instantly going to make it feel high-end and way more expensive. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you like decorating for the holidays as much as I do, hopefully heading to the Dollar Tree can really save you some money, but still give you that high-end look. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button because in 2 days, I'm launching my 12 days of giveaways where I'm giving away all my favorite things like Oprah or Ellen or just me. I'm very excited about it. I can't wait. So hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I'm very excited about this giveaway. So I thought for you who stayed to the end, I would give you like a sneak peek of some of the prizes that are coming. I don't want to tell you what day they're coming because I want you to still watch the videos, but I want to tell you about some of the prizes because I am so excited. And the one I'm most excited for, are you ready? Hold on to your pants. It's a dream box. A dream box, you guys. I reached out to this company. I love Create Rooms so much. I've worked with them in the past and I was like, would you donate a dream box to one lucky winner? And they were like, sure, of course. And when I got up off the floor, I was so excited because this is the coolest organizer on the planet. Perfect for crafters, especially if you don't have a dedicated craft room and you want more space. I'm so excited about that. But wait, there's more. We also have the brand new Roomba that goes back, empties itself. You don't even have to empty it. Programs, it's incredible. I have this Roomba and I am obsessed with it and I'm so excited to give one of those away. A brand new Keurig machine that also froths milk. It's the little things in life that get me excited. A couple of $500 Amazon gift cards, a brand new mattress, any size that you want, high quality luxury mattress delivered to your door. Can we get a I'm very excited. There's a bunch more prizes that are absolutely incredible, but I just wanted to give you that sneak peek. But because you guys, there's so many scammers out there right now. Originally, we were gonna have you comment in the bottom of the video to enter to win, but now there's like all these scammers like, you won a prize from Clutterbug, message me, and then they want money. Listen, if you win the prize, we're gonna have a link where you can enter your email to sign up for the giveaway. If you win, I will email you directly. I will never ask you for money, not for shipping, not for duty, not for anything. So if somebody reaches out to you in messages, it's not me. It's a scammer. But anyways, I'm gonna see you guys in 2 days. I'm excited.